Alright, so I'm going to show you what's in my bag, what I'm bringing with me to this yacht shoot. It's not in New York City, it's in Sag Harbor, so it's 2.5 hours away, so I want to make sure that I'm bringing as much as possible just in case anything, God forbid, goes wrong. Of course, I have my Sony a7RII. I actually have two of them for redundancy, but we'll be using the second one for videos. I already have on one of them the 24-70 GM brand new lens. It's amazing. I got polarizing filters so I can see through the clouds. This little guy is great. I can see any dust that's on the sensor. I have a lot of lenses. Again, redundancy, it's very important. I have this 85mm 1.4 GM. I have this lens, the 35mm Disagon 1.4. I have, this is 24-240mm from Sony. If I do any like far distance shots, I need to see from one boat to the other, I use that. And then my 90mm macro 2.8. I have lots of batteries. I have extra memory cards, the fastest you can get right now, as well as my Surface Pro, which is amazing, really fast. I have this blower to blow off dust off the sensor, which I use with this guy. And then of course you always have to have music. Next would be my lights. Okay, and we're back. So this is the Indra 500s. They are from Phottix. They are amazing. Obviously they're really small. They're pretty compact. They're pretty light, which is great. The battery pack is not part of the light, which I like, because then when it's on a boom pole or when it's on a other kind of mount, it's not going to be top heavy and my assistants can easily hold it. These are the battery packs. So this is the actual battery. It's also very light. This is the battery that's already part of now the adapter that's going to plug in. Again, it's very small, size of my hand, so it fits at the bottom. You put it in your back pocket, you put it in your backpack, you put it on the floor. It won't weigh down any boom extension pole that your assistant's holding. I also have this AC adapter, so this way I can plug this directly in to the lights. It gives me a little bit faster recycle time, and of course you need your gray card. Oh, and then of course you can't miss this. This is a Phottix Odin 2 for Sony, brand new on the market. It's really easy to use. Basically you control all the lights. It's so easy to use because you just basically have all your lights here, and then you can just control the lighting easily, you know, and change any setting you want. So it's really, really great. Then next will be the poles I'm going to bring. And now we have the poles. Okay, so I'm not bringing anything that mounts to the floor because we're on a yacht and I don't want to scratch it up. So I have these really great Elinchrom boom poles that extend really far. They're very, very light, but because they're going to be, I have my assistants holding them and they're going to have the lights on them, I want to try to make it easier. So I got these really cool, it's basically for fishing. You put the rod inside here and it holds it, and this way it goes on right below your stomach, and it holds it really, really well. You look a little funny using it, but it really helps, you know, after 2-3 hours holding the boom pole with my lights. And then of course I have, I'm bringing a reflector from Phottix. It's great. It basically has grips on it, so silver, gold, the whole 9 yards. And that's about it. Now I can just enjoy the shoot.